What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about the Umidigi F1 camera. So I call it camera review. This device is very good when it comes to taking pictures in bright daylight, and especially when there's enough light. But at night, it struggles a lot. It's a dual camera phone, and to be honest, this is not an AI camera as they claim. They said it's AI, the processor is AI. Unless they're going to tell me what AI is, because I know what AI is. My Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is an AI camera. Huawei is an AI camera. This is not an AI camera, so they're not telling the truth. But let's just put that negative aside. So this is about the camera. This phone take great pictures in daylight mode. I'm telling you, you're not gonna go wrong with this kind of device. Sometimes you wonder, is this a budget device? You know, look at the picture quality. But when it comes to nighttime, it struggles a lot. Too much noise. So I'm going to be jumping up into the camera interface now and show you what the phone can do. All right, guys, this is the camera interface of the UMIDIGI F1. You get the video, the Pro, the picture, and the bokeh. On the Pro, that's where you can choose your ISO and you can choose your lighting settings. So you see that these are the different functions. You see, that's how daylight does look like: cloudy, twilight, and the shade. Then you can also choose your exposure too, and that does work very well. You know, I'm gonna concentrate on the exposure today. It does work very well. You can see if you increase it, you can see as you increase it, that's overexposed now. So I'm gonna leave it on 0. You know, okay, I'll leave it on 0. So that's it. On the picture, you see, when you go to picture mode, you can also increase the exposure just by tapping on the screen. You can see, you can see everything in real life. You know, you see everything in real life, and you can, that's a picture sample. You see, I've just done one now. That's a picture sample. So guys, what I'm going to be doing next is to film with this device and share the footage with you guys. So let's jump into the video mode and let's get a footage from the device. Let's see how it does look like. The frame is on the frame, you cannot change, you can still change the exposure. That's a good thing. See, you can still adjust the light level by increasing the exposure. That's overexposed, and you can put it on underexposed. You see, this phone is doing a great job and I quite like it. I'm gonna walk around, just gonna see how it's going to relate with it. I don't know if there's optical image stabilization. I'm just going to walk around. Let me go to the waterfall. So let's see. It's going to be too much noisy here. I don't know if there's optical image stabilization, so I don't know how this is going to be if I put it on the computer. You know, the waterfall. So in case I want to see more light effect, I reduce the exposure. You see that? This is awesome for a mid-range phone or a budget phone. You know, this is the first Chinese device in my life that I told you in my previous video that I've seen that match the qualities of the flagship. You know, and if you tap the screen, what you get, you will set the exposure level. You know, look at it. Look at it. This is awesome. I don't know how this is going to be if I put it on the computer, but what I'm seeing on this screen, I can tell you right here, right now, that I'm happy with what I'm seeing. If I were to compare this with the price I pay for the phone, I like to see more of the light, so I have to reduce the exposure level. I reduce it more. I like this, you know, for some reason I just like this. You know, I can get more of the light. But if I tap the screen, what I get it auto exposed. So we expose it and see if it's normal, you know. So just panning around, seeing that, you know, just panning around the park, you know, just panning around, you know, just panning around. All right, guys, I'm gonna be switching to picture